This is by far the best marketing for cleaning businesses that I have seen in years. If you're looking for a magic button, sometimes I used to say that it didn't exist. Well, this is it. If you're looking for a way to book jobs at the cheapest cost possible, this is totally it. If you're looking for a marketing tactic in your arsenal to be able to use whenever you're slow, back to school's a great time, winter, this is it. So I've got this picture up here because really I started thinking, this is me back when I first started my cleaning business. I started thinking, I wish I had something like this. All I had was the newspaper, barely had the internet. Hardly anybody was on the internet searching for cleaning companies, and postcards, and maybe picking up the phone and calling manually to my past clients. But I've been talking quite a bit about text message marketing to you guys on Facebook and through these email newsletters and on YouTube. And this is the kind of response that I've gotten from some of my members who've actually been doing this. This is one member who just started doing this and just letting me know that he started to do it. And it's a huge game changer for him. He's scaling down his other advertising, and the marketing that he's doing now is a lot more profitable. And he just barely started using this type of marketing for text message marketing. This is another client who I emailed, and he emailed me back just out of the clear blue and said, "Hey, just letting you know, John, text marketing did great. I booked over $10,000 in business." And that's just from doing a simple text message marketing campaign. Here's another client who a little while ago just let me know, and I sent out an email. His business more than doubled. He's brought in $19,000 off of just a couple of campaigns so far and has done really, really well. And I've got other examples too of other clients anybody who started doing this type of marketing has done anywhere from pretty good to really, really, really good. And the great thing about it is it's so simple. It's so cheap to do. If you're not using it in your cleaning business, you need to be. You have to be. Because the thing is, your competition probably isn't doing this because it's sometimes a little bit difficult to figure out at the beginning. We have a way to usher all of this in for you, and all you have to do is fill out 2 quick profiles, and we set it all up for you, and it's done. But we even showed you another way where you can do it without our software in another video that I did a few weeks ago. But the thing is, there's services that do this type of stuff for you and charge you $1,000 or $2,000 to send out a text message. Or there's another program that I know of several cleaners that use that costs $300 or $400 for the service setup, and you still have to send the messages yourself. I've got a way where you can do it for free. I showed you the video for that, but I also have a way where you can do it a lot more simple and even have it in your client database that can mesh with QuickBooks or really any other type of marketing software or online scheduling software. You could even use our scheduling software that's built into this if you want. But I've got a way where you can do this that's just included with the ad club, and you can be able to send out these messages. No other extra charge other than the cost of the ad club membership, which currently is $137. Very soon that cost is about to go up, but if you're in when it goes up, you'll be able to stay in at that rate. But the text messages are a penny a piece, guys, thereabouts. It does vary a little bit, but super, super easy. We showed you a video before, but just to recap, you import your list by clicking on the import contacts, and then you have your list in here. All you have to do is select everyone or select specific people or the people that you've tagged, and then click send. You can send an email, or you can send a text message, or you can send a voicemail drop as well within this same software. But all you have to do for a text message is click this button right here, click proceed, copy and paste your message through here, and click send. That is it. If you want to, you can schedule it at a certain time. You can schedule it to drip out at certain times. That way you're not sending all 2,000 or 8,000 of your people all at once, which is probably a smart idea if you have more than a few hundred names on your list. But super, super easy to do. I can't stress enough that there's nobody that I've actually done this with and they've come back to me later and went, "John, that was a huge ripoff. That was a huge waste of time and bad marketing." Everybody that I've ever done this with has come back to me and said, "Wow, that's like way better than I thought it was going to be and way cheaper than I thought it was going to be." And if you know me, I don't water that type of stuff down. That's the truth. It's not an inflated, way to think about the marketing. That's really how it is. So if you're not doing this in your cleaning business, you need to be. Your competition could be, and guess what? They're wooing your client if they're in your area. Don't let them do that. Jump on this. get a hold in your market before your competition does. Right now in the Ad Coaching Club, we have free setup for the marketing texting software. You just have to fill out 2 quick profiles, get us that information. We'll tie it in. You have free access to the software as long as you're a member. Free access. Eventually, we're going to charge an extra price for that, but if you're currently in, you get grandfathered in, and you don't have to pay anything more. As long as you still see that free texting setup is up here, yes, it's free for you. So get in there. Get signed up. I highly recommend that you do this in your cleaning business. It's going to be a game changer for you. Do it.